Hey guys, and good morning.
Morning for you.
Hey Sonia, good morning.
Morning.
So we're at this rest area. It's a pretty nice rest area. It's one of the best.
As far as like the location and how
It's
big
huge.
it is, but the bathroom's not that good.
Okay, the bathroom's not that good, but there's multiple bathrooms here, and this rest area is one of the biggest I've ever seen.
You got river.
Huge, and there's a river. Yeah, there's a river. But so I'm just making some coffee. This is how I make coffee in the morning. Is just boiling water. Yeah, boiling water in the microwave, and then that's our power right there. That's 1500 watts. This is day 3.
That's the bag of foods and supplements.
Yeah. Right now what I do is I boil a full one of these, and I use half of it for my coffee and half for my oatmeal, which is in a cup. You just gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, so there's that, and then so we're gonna do that, and then get ready and go.
Yep.
And we have, I think, an hour and a half drive until we get to our Whiskey Town National Forest, National Park,
National Recreation. And just to give you guys an update on how our night went.
Oh my gosh.
It was pretty terrible. It was really hot.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So we went to bed pretty early, but we couldn't really sleep because it was really hot. So we basically just laid in bed for hours, turning and blah blah. And there were some really loud people also outside.
See, that's how I thought. That's how, if you would have asked me 2 years ago, like about sleeping at a rest area, that's how I would have imagined things. Like crazy people coming and going and being loud and just who knows. I mean, they weren't crazy, but they were just
really loud.
They were just really loud, and obviously
like
people are sleeping.
Yeah.
But it wasn't like it didn't just last for like 20 minutes. They went and used the restroom over there, came back to their car and left. They actually hung out at the rest area.
Yeah,
that's what I don't get. And like, you know, when you're in a sleep and you're like, should I get up? Should I look? Should I record this? Like, I almost grabbed the camera and recorded it a little bit, but I didn't. It's fine. But I don't know why they were hanging out here. It's not a place to hang out at night. But they did. And they're gone now. But, it's a beautiful day.
It is. It's just, if it stays like this, I could live like this. But it gets really hot in the afternoon.
Last night was an interesting night because that was the first of all the nights that we spent the night in the car. It was the hottest by far. Even the night before wasn't this hot at all.
No,
it was fine.
Yeah.
But we did go to bed a little later, which helps. It was the hottest, and then we had those people, and then we had like 3 car alarms go off too.
Yeah.
Which I'm always very scared because this car, the car alarm, it's very easy to set off the car alarm. If you have the key fob inside the car, and then you unlock the cars manually from inside the car, the alarm goes off. I don't even know how that's a safety issue or safety
concern.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Anyway, all right guys, so I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. That's good. All right, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. We're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna hit the road.
Yeah, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't know why they saw these fire trucks here, but there's like a huge line of a lot of trucks. It's like all the way down, all the way as far as I can see.
There's a Mount Cloudontop.
No.
Yeah.
This is Mount Cloudontop.
This Mount Cloudontop.
Oh my god.
Well,
Cut.
Mount Cloudontop.
All right, so we were gonna go to Whiskey Town Recreation Park. I never can get the name right, but we wanted to stop here. We thought this was actually after that, but so this came first. So we're going to do a change of plans. Hedge Creek Falls and Moss Bray Falls, I think. There's two waterfalls here, and they're two separate trails, but we saw some other YouTubers, shout out to them. If I remember their name, I'll put it in the description. There's a way to go to this one and then cross the river to the other one without having to remove your car. Andy, could brush our teeth here. Actually, we could take a shower here. Remember we saw the snake last time we were here?
Yeah. Alright, this one is a short hike to...
So we just left the car, and it's literally, we found this by chance last time that we were just happened to be off the freeway. Right? How did that happen? We just happened to be off the freeway at that time last year, and
we found a falls and we pulled over.
Found a sign or something, and then we were shocked how fast you get to the falls.
Yeah.
And last year I kind of took a little shower in this falls here, but this year everything's different because we're earlier in the summer and there's a lot of people here. Yeah, so you don't need a pass for this, right?
No.
I didn't look. So yeah, you guys, you don't need a pass, so it's free. It's really fast. I can't imagine driving by on I-5 and not stopping here because it's so quick to the first falls, at least. Second one is we're gonna see if we we're not exactly sure where to cross the river, but I know you have to cross the river at some point and then follow the railroad tracks to the other falls.
Yep. So this one is what do you call this? Switchbacks.
Interesting, because I don't remember any switchbacks at all. What I remembered was that this went straight to the falls, but obviously I'm not remembering correctly.
Yeah, there's the falls right there.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of a trickle.
Yeah. It's kind of the same amount as last year.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is,
All right, here it is. It's a pair of shoes. You need shoes?
no.
Boots?
Yeah, I do a lot of makeup to go.
So this does seem less than last year.
Yeah.
And
So, but look at this rocks
but-
though. Those are.
yeah, this is really cool. Now last year there was nobody here, and look how many people. This is what I don't like.
It's a lot of crowd.
This is not my. This is not my thing. I like to go places where nobody is, but like last year we were here in like September, and there was nobody here at all. And I took a shower right there.
You can get in the water with her.
All right, let's go. That's enough.
Don't drop the leash, and you can get in the water with her.
Oh, and there's a cave over here too.
Yeah.
Forgot about that. So doesn't this remind you of a miniature version of that
The one in Oregon?
North Pole?
North Pole, yeah.
Yeah. Because I love how it has this archway. I'm gonna call it an archway. It's kind of like
Yeah, it's
cave,
like-
but there's a cave up here that you can go in too. So yeah, that's
Well,
where I
maybe
took a
there's a-
shower. That's a
yeah.
perfect place for a shower right there. But
Yeah.
I guess I'm not gonna strip down
I'm gonna wait for the others.
in front of everybody. Remember this? Yeah. You want some more photos, or we have enough?
I think we have enough.
So how far can you go back in there?
Looks like you can go all the way.
Let's see. Oh, you know, you can go all the way through and come out up there.
Yeah, but I don't know if I want.
Yeah, we don't need to.
Are you gonna go?
No, because it's pretty tight. If I didn't have the pack on, I probably would. Or you can climb up these rocks right here. The GoPro doesn't do very good in low light settings, so I'm just gonna come back out. This is really cool, guys. Like I said, it's literally right off the freeway.
Yeah.
There's an exit right where you park. And
You can take
Today-
two exits.
today is a Sunday,
Yeah.
so there's gonna be more people here today, but we found a spot, and there's always people coming and going because they always, or most people just go to this falls right here and turn around and go back. So
Which that's what we did last.
so this is that was the Hedge Creek Falls. Now we're gonna see if we can figure out where we need to cross the river to get to Moss Bray Falls, right? All right. I think we can figure it out. If that other couple did, we can do it.
All right.
Look at this chair.
Big log. Yeah.
Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do.
It's perfect.
I want to cross that.
Oh, that's dangerous.
Danger. Oh my gosh, I can cross it. Look. Look, there's a place where I can get on it.
Yeah. You can either
Wow.
take it from there.
That's the shortcut, huh? You know,
No,
guys,
thanks.
I have to be careful though, because check it out. Nice, right? Nothing
Yeah.
but the best. Nothing but the best.
Shoes no soul cider.
So, I don't know. I only brought one pair of shoes too, but it's unfortunate. So, yeah.
So
All
if
right,
you
I
wanna
won't. I
feel
won't
like
cross
you
that.
wanna be risky, take that.
But you missed the falls, so. All right, so let's cut here, and we'll come back when we're gonna cross the river, or where we think we're gonna cross the river.